Hey there, Kathy Cheo-Isaacs. So back to finish Python lesson 5, activity 3, and task 2. So the second part of activity 3. So I did the loops, and I'm back at the code. But what happened was the agent moved forward, moved right, moved back, and then didn't move right. So move back. I think that it has to do with where this code is because it's all the way. I wonder if the indent makes the loop. So, okay, so I'm going to indent agent move right and say that that's the end of code, end of loop 2. I'm also going to take this precaution. I'm going to copy um, yeah, I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to just throw it in. What do I have open? Oh, here, let's show you a trick. Docs.new, fancy schmancy. I'm just going to throw that in here for now because what I have to do is I have to go back and reset this. So I got to go back and talk to that programmer. Okay, so I'm going to try again. Oh, good. Ah, how great is that? It's only trying this part. Thank goodness. Okay, so I'm back here. I'm going to say C. I'm looking at this. That's the change that I made. Was I said have the agent move at the end of the loop. All right, so let's try that. And we're hitting play. We're watching the agents moving forward, moving to the right, moving back. There we go. So that makes a difference. That's really kind of cool. So in the Python, there, correct. We did it. The lesson is over. Thanks for your help. We totally finished lesson 5 in the Python lessons. That's so awesome. Yay. Virtual high five. And I'll see you on lesson 6. Bye.